A collective noun is a noun that refers to some sort of group or collective of people, animals, things, etc. Collective nouns are normally not treated as plural even though they refer to a group of something. Okay, viewers, now we will see some examples of collective nouns and we will make a worksheet. A gang of robbers, a band of musicians, a kindle of kittens, a litter of puppies, a herd of cattle, a nest of rumors, a flock of birds, a fleet of sheep, a herd of cattle, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees, an army of ants, a bale of hay, a school of fish, a bunch of grapes, a pride of lions, a bowl of rice, a band of musicians, a gaggle of geese, a chest of drawers, a choir of singers, a range of mountains, a forest of trees, a flight of birds, a bouquet of flowers, a flock of sheep, a gang of thieves, a bundle of clothes, a band of musicians, a collection of stamps. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you for watching.